How to stop making knots with your earphones. Are you tired of struggling with knots? Hello and welcome. In this video we'll see together what I think is the best solution to tie them right and avoid the knots. At the end of this video I'll explain the reason why I think it's the best solution, so please watch until the end. This method comes from guitar players and sound engineers because after all that's what it is. We start by blocking the mini jack with the thumb, and then we roll the earphones around the palm of the hand. And the trick here is we will reverse one loop between two normal loops. The first loop is normal, okay, the hand grabbing the earphones is straight, okay. We take the earphones and roll them in a normal loop around the palm. On the top side we see it's following the right path, okay. The second loop will be reverse. So to get this done, we will turn this hand, okay, grab the earphones like this, and then loop around the palm. And now on the top side, we see the earphones are now going backward, okay. This is a reverse loop. Next loop is a normal one, okay. Then reverse loop. And last one will be normal. Okay, so here it's quite slow to show you, but if you practice you can do it really quick, okay. Then you gather everything and tie it together with whatever you prefer. Here it's a little Velcro, okay. So here we have the best cable management for earphones, okay. And to untie, it's easy. You just grab the buds, pull here, and everything opens without knots. Okay. So why this is the best method? Simply because this method will structure the cables in a corkscrew shape. Okay. It will not happen at the first attempt, but slowly, with a lot of tying like this, the cables will keep this shape and naturally avoid making knots. So thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to subscribe, and if you have questions, please leave a comment.